Hi guys, this is Atif and you're watching my channel Moon333 where I am posting the trading ideas on different assets and also educational stuff. If you didn't subscribe to my channel so far, then do subscribe it for more profit potential trading ideas and educational videos. And do remember that the information I'm providing here in this video is for educational purpose only. This is not intended to be investment advice, so please seek a duly licensed professional for investment advice. I'm just gonna show you the TRX with US dollar move today. It is forming a very firm harmonic and a chart pattern as well. And soon it is gonna take the bullish divergence cause it has almost completed the bullish setup. So this is the 1-day chart of TRX with US dollar Bitfinex. First, we can see the price action took the drop from June 2019 up to September 2019 here. More than 70% drop. And after this drop, now the price action is moving within a wedge. This is the upper resistance of the wedge, and this is the support of this wedge, and this is the resistance. And if we see the Bollinger Bands here, let's see where it's doing. And we can see that the price action hit the spike even beyond the Bollinger Band support, the lower band of the Bollinger Band, and also hit the support of this falling wedge and took the bounce from here. And after that, it has also hit at the resistance of this falling wedge and took another drop. And after at this time, the price action is taking another drop, and it will may hit at the support again, and after that it will take another bullish divergence, and it may this time it may break out the resistance of this falling wedge. Let me to explain it how. First, I'm going to show you the Magda indicator. This is, sorry, this is the moving average convergence divergence Magda indicator. And here we can see the Magda is bullish, and it has also given the bull cross on day chart. At this time it is weak bullish. It was turned strong bullish, but at this time it is a little bit weak bullish, as we can see the histogram is now dull green. And if we see the stochastic, you can see the stochastic also has given the bull cross here, but after that almost a little bit up, more than the center of this stochastic RSI body, that it has given the bear cross again, moving down. But I think after this price correction, when the price action will hit again the support or the lower band of the Bollinger Bands, all indicators will be turned again bullish, and it will move up again. And here, if we see the RSI indicator, the relative strength index, we can see it was already oversold for 2 times. First, it was oversold in the November 2019, and after that, it was oversold up to 18 December 2019, and it turned bullish. Now it is moving down again, but again, I will say that when the price action will again hit the support of the Bollinger Bands, or maybe the support of this falling wedge, these indicators will be turned bullish again. And if we see the moving averages on this same day chart, like first I'm just placing the exponential moving averages and one will be with the time period of 10 in blue color, and the other one will be with the time period of 20 in red color. Now you can see that the exponential moving average 10 crossed down and formed a death cross on 18 November 2019 with 20 exponential moving average. And now it is likely to have to form a golden cross soon, because we can see the price action is crossing down the 10 moving average with 10 time period is crossing down the candlesticks. Here it has crossed down once, but during this price correction period, the candlesticks are moved down again. But soon, when the price action will hit the support of the Bollinger Band or the support of this falling wedge, uh, the price action will cross up, and this moving average will cross down the price action as well, and the 20 moving average will be also crossed down the price action, and it will produce a huge bullish divergence that can lead the price action to break out this resistance, and they can form a golden cross again, like these moving averages form the golden cross here and produce a huge bullish divergence. And if we see the Ichimoku cloud on 4-hour chart, I'm just removing the moving averages. All right, this is the Ichimoku cloud on 4-hour chart. Then we can see here that here the cloud was turned bearish on 8th of December 2019, and after that here for some time period it turned bullish, but that was very weak bullish, and turned bearish again, but the candlesticks crossed up the cloud because the cloud was very weak here, even it was very weak bearish. Now the candlesticks again during this price correction period uh, are entered in the cloud, but you can see the candlesticks are not completely able to cross down the cloud, but I think it will cross down the cloud once it will hit the Bollinger Bands on the day chart, on the Bollinger Band support and the support of the wedge as well. After that, it will completely cross up again this cloud, the Ichimoku cloud as well. And we have a very weak bearish cloud here, and it will be not difficult for the candlesticks or for the price action to cross up the cloud next time. Like here we had weak bearish cloud, and the candlesticks very easily crossed up the cloud as well. So the lagging span is down, so we cannot expect a real bullish divergence unless the lagging span, let me make it more clear, more visible, so you can see the lagging span very easily. All right, now you can see we cannot expect a true bullish divergence unless the lagging span will cross up the price action, like it crossed up here and gave us signals in advance that the price action will take this bullish divergence very soon. It gives the signals in advance, like it gives here. So once it will cross up the price action, then we can really expect that the price action will really take a very powerful bullish divergence. So here we have one signal in advance that the price action can take the bullish divergence soon, because the cloud was turned reversed bullish, and at this time it is turned bearish again, but the bear cloud or bearish cloud is very weak, so it will be not difficult for the price action to break out this cloud again. So if we see on the 3-day chart, I'm just removing all the indicators, the chart patterns, and this is the most favorite indicator for me, the most favorite signal for me, that on 3-day chart, let me just show you. We can see here the price action has formed a harmonic pattern move, and you can see here this is a bullish bat pattern, and this is the bullish potential reversal zone of this bullish bat pattern. All right, here you can see this is the initial leg, and after initial leg, the price action is retraced up to between the area 0.382 up to 0.50 Fibonacci, and after that we required that retracement or Fibonacci projection between 0.382 up to 0.886 Fibonacci, and here we have the Fibonacci projection of 0.527 Fibonacci, which is exactly between the 0.382 to 0.886 Fibonacci projection, the A to B Fibonacci projection area. Now, the final leg was supposed to retrace as per bad pattern from 0.786 from here, 0.786 up to 0.886 Fibonacci, almost up to here. And this is our potential reversal zone, and from here the price action is just supposed to take the bullish divergence. All right, here we can see once the price action has tried to hit this area, the sell zone, which is the projection of from A to D leg from 0.382 up to 0.786 Fibonacci projection. And this is the Fibonacci projection of A to D leg. But it was very close to this Fibonacci projection area, but did not hit that area. But if we, so this is due for the price action to hit this sell zone. And if we see the volume profile of this complete pattern, just placing the volume profile on the complete pattern, then we can see below this line, below this potential reversal zone, and below this line, right? We have a very weak interest of the traders, and this is a very clear indication that the price action will not break down the potential reversals on support, this support line. And here we can see whenever the price action tried to move down, it is showing very weak spikes here. So the price action or candlesticks are also showing with their bodies, with their appearance, that below this potential reversal zone, the trader's interest is really very low. So we can expect that the price action will take the bullish divergence from this area up to this area very soon. I'm also sharing the Tradingview's link in the chart description, in the video's description. You can find in the description. When you will click on that link, you will be on the Tradingview site like this. And you just need to write Moon333, which is my username. Sorry, first you need to select the people option, and then you need to write Moon333 and click on my link. then you will be on my page on the TradingView. Here I have posted my all charts and trading predictions. You can follow here. And I'm also sharing the Binance exchange link in the video's description because that is the exchange which has the lowest restrictions for the users, maximum flexibility in the trades, maximum options, and the largest volume of every cryptocurrency for the traders. Therefore, I myself try to trade on the Binance, and I also suggest my followers and my viewers to trade on the Binance as well. So if you don't have account, you just need to click on the link I have provided in the video's description, and you can uh, create your account there. That is very simple and easy process. Now let me to show you the targets which we should have set for our TRX US dollar trade, which I have just shown you previously. And this is the chart I've published, and this is even complete article I've shared on the TradingView. You can even read all the article, but I'm just gonna show you the targets. So these are the targets. This is the buying range, and these are the sell targets. So if I'll show you the ratio of the profit, for example, this is a calculator. So this trade has potential to give up to 60% profit. And this is the 3-day chart. So this is a kind of midterm chart. It can take up to a month, but it will take the bullish divergence and give you the results. I hope that you have liked the video. If you didn't subscribe to the channel so far, do subscribe it and do hit the like. Take care. Goodbye.